Huwag ka lang maglalakad. Mapamalaglag ka.
Siguro lang kayo ng ganda kapag malapit ako ay, saan ka sa mga yun? Okay na.
Hindi mo lang ako sa gilid mo.
First of all, thank you for this opportunity. I heard that yung original speaker si Marlon Rivera. May prior appointment daw, so nag-downgrade sila sa so, ayun guys. So yun nga, but before I go to the Registrant story, yung nabanggit ni Emeline, by the way, the previous speakers, they're sharing the point of view of a financial advisor. And I would like to share the point of view of client. Ano yung impact na nagagawa niya sa life ng client na sa amin in particular. So yan, I would like to go back, binanggit ni Emeline na yung gusto ko nang i-terminate yung pregnancy ko. Yung policy. Siguro one of the main reason, but hindi rin ako na-terminate ng policy, is the way Emeline educated and enlightened me of the importance of being insured. Actually, yung first ko siyang mani, we were total strangers, and then ang oras niyang ganda, hindi intimidating, yung tipong ibibigay mo yung OTP, yung pinang-ATM mo yung susilang bahay mo. So, yan, yung kalay. Hindi aside, ang ganda yung oras niya, and I believe that napatunayan ko yun na she's really a genuine person. Kasi if you're really genuine on what you're doing, it shows it. More than build trying in your head how to build rapport and everything. Just being genuine. Mararamdaman ng client niyo. First meeting, total strangers, we were talking about my salary and I was very comfortable giving that information to her. And hindi niya ako in-open up sa pagpapakilala sa crew. Although, syempre, pinakilala niya, crew life agent siya. Hindi niya ako pinakilala sa ano yung magagawa ng crew para sa akin. More on, nang nag-stick talaga sa akin is, meron tayong problem. Na lahat tayo, problema yun. Pero, hindi natin na-address. Sadly, we plan for the future, for good things to happen. But most of us fail to plan and prepare for bad things to happen. And sadly, a lot of Filipinos is having that problem. So, ayun, hindi ako big client. I'm part of the middle class. Pero thankful ako kay Emeline kasi pinagtsagaan niya ako and she really enlightened me and educated me na sadly kasi sa Philippines, di ba, hindi maganda yung health system natin. So, talagang na-enlightened ako na importante itong insurance. I think that's one of the main reasons kung bakit hindi ko binitawan. And I think kung ipapass through natin sa clients natin is makaka-relate tayo ng client. Sila mismo yung hindi bibitaw. Kahit yun dumating ako sa gipit na gipit talaga, pandemic hit. Pero I didn't yun. Thankfully din sa ni Emeline sa pursuance nila. Yun nga, dumating na itong problem na may kasakit ako. Sabi nga nila, di ba, when life gives you lemon, unfortunately, minsan, madalas, walang kasamang sugar. So, hindi ka makagawa ng lemonade. So, yun. At the age of 34 last year, I had a mild heart attack. Siguro mataas lang yung pain tolerance ko. Pero nung I was feeling something, sabi ko, kaya ko tolerate, pero kakaiba siya. Punta ako sa pinakamalapit na ospital, public. Mahirap kasi maging mahirap, diba? So, yun. I was there 3 a.m. in the morning. 3 a.m. naka-morning pa na. I was there 3 a.m. And then, nakalabas ako ng ER. Magtatanghali na. And then, after all that time, sabi nila, heartburn. And I was given pain medications, tsaka mataas ang BP ko noon. Kaya rapat ang BP ko noon. Buti na lang pinang-convince ako ng kapatid ko na second opinion ka sa New Era General Hospital. And then, doon na time na nalaman nila na may test na ginawa ginawa sa akin, which is kinuha yung, I don't know if any of you are familiar, yung tropamine. Pag mataas yung tropamine mo, sabihin, heart attack, active yung heart attack mo. And then immediately, I was confined sa ICU. But I was feeling okay at that time. Pero sabi ng doktor, since napakataas ang tropamine mo, anytime pwede mo trigger ulit. So I don't know if the painkiller is masking the symptoms. So I was admitted in the ICU, and thankfully, again, na-foresee, hindi ba siguro na-foresee, ayun naman siguro na-foresee yung nangyayari sa akin. Pero, in-Emery sa mga riders ko yung ICU. So, I was able to take advantage of that. Nagamit ko yun sa ICU, confinement. And, ayun, binigyan ako ng mga blood thinners and everything. And after really 1 week, naka-claim din ako ng hospital income. And, ayun, and then I was, nakalabas na ako ng hospital, thankfully. So yun, that was around February. And then, it hit again. No, I think March or April, rather. Biglang sumakit yung mata ko, akala mo. Tapos nawala siya. So, with awareness na rin sa ano. By the way, yung for heart attack, doon na rin nalaman na diabetic pala ako. So, parang siguro siya, side effect na. And also, I would like to emphasize, nung na-ICU ako, by the way, guys, ako 34 years old, na-heart attack. So, 5 beds kaya or 6 beds sa ICU. Isang patient, 20 plus, stroke. Tapos, another patient, 30 plus din, around my age, is heart attack din. So, hindi siya uncommon nowadays. Siguro sa lifestyle ko na rin, I was working from home and I was doing the night shift. Admittedly, I was not taking good care of myself, fast food, lack of sleep. So, yun. So, kapag lalapit, siguro tayo sa client, sasabihin, ay, bata pa naman ako eh. I was feeling that. I was feeling on top of my day, di ba, nag-add pa nga kami ng policy ng Emery. At the snap of a finger, everything could change. So, siguro magandang story din sa prospects na at this young age, yung statistics is hindi na siya uncommon na magkaroon ka ng critical illness. So, sabi nga niya, yung sayang, dapat pala nilakihan natin ng coverage. Pero yun nga, nevertheless, nakatulong siya ng malaki sa akin. So, yan. So, nagdagdag, tapos may coverage na ng sa ICU. And then, ano pa, isa meron pang burger na so, totally, huwag ka naman magamit. So, mapanood. So, yan. So, hindi siya uncommon. So, sana mas madami pa tayong ma-educate na Filipinos. Yung mga young generation, yung middle class. Kasi ako naniniwala ako na mas kailangan ng middle class eh. Coming from a client that is middle class. Kasi yung mga mayayaman, honestly speaking, pag naman may nangyari sa kanila, may pera naman yung mga yun. But again, this is coming from a different perspective. Pero yung mga middle class na hindi makabayad ng premium, sabihin nila hindi makabayad ng premium. What more yung hospital bills na 100,000 millions, di ba? So, yun. Anyway, going back to the process ng pag-claim, I would also like to emphasize na it was very easy sa experience ko. I just provided everything that Emery asked for sa part ko. And then, si Emery na lahat na nag-asikaso. And grabe, yung support niya mula start, from my highs to high, my lows. She really embodied the title financial advisor. And from handling my finances, talagang tinulungan niya ako sa magandang ganito, yung times na okay ako, and then yung times na lowest of the low, andyan pa rin siya. She was very reliable, responsible. She's always present. Kasi meron akong mga kaibigan na policy holder din ng crew. Pero ibang, I don't know if sa malayo sila sa part ng kaibigan. Tatanong sila, pwede lang, hindi naman mag-claim. Pero reachable yung mga agent. Ay, nasa bakasyon pa ako, ganyan, babalikan kita, gano'n. And everything hindi niya alam lahat. But she never answers me with no. Like, I'll get back to you, and she really gets back to me. And yun, very reliable. And more than building rapport, she really built a relationship with me. Ayun. And, yun nga, hindi kami yung level na nagsisikahan kami personal life, hindi. Pero napakaganda ng relationship na na-build namin dahil sa True Life. So, yun, siguro to wrap things up, I would like to take this opportunity to encourage each and every one of you more than the incentives, the money, the rewards, na obviously, iba punong-puno si True Life, diba, na there's no shortage of incentives. Yung nga yung sinabi nila, yung fulfillment, and yung service na pinoprovide nyo para sa inyong mga client. Kasi I cannot emphasize enough kung ano yung impact na ginagawa nyo sa clients nyo. I hope maano nyo na on a deeper level. And you already have a good product. Kasi I am a living proof, thankfully living proof. Ayun, I hope to keep it that way for a very long time. Sana. So, yun. I am living proof na True really delivers their promises. So, talaga totoo si True. Kasi diba, na-experience ko siya myself. So, you already have a very good product. You just need to do the half of it, which is provide a very good quality and genuine service sa mga clients. So, yun yung my experience ko with Emily. Ayun. And lastly, gusto kong, aside from taking memory, thanking True Life UK, I would like to thank and salute each and every one of you for the service that you're doing.